Here's the one thing I could message to Danmar. Danmar Dayaw, like I said to you, do not post about Bongbong Marcos in Facebook. Everyone hates Marcos. What? What's it? No, it's okay. It's yours now. No, it's okay. No, it's okay. It's yours now. Okay. Alright, you use it. Okay, here's one thing, you know, for Danmar Dayaw, do not post about Bongbong Marcos. You want to be happen to Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asedio, Gima Casandil, and Teacher May Tiburcio, and Kuya Copio, Here's the lesson to Danmar Dayaw and Mami Ellen Olea. Oh, you see what happened during the Jabida massacre, killing thousands of Shia and Sunni Muslims who were Filipinos. Jabida massacre in 1972. Oh, martial law of Marcos Sr. And even the massacre of martial law or really happened about the assassination of Ninoy Aquino. Oh, because why I become a pro Duterte and pro Aquino? I idolize Cory. I idolize Duterte, Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, I know Cory Aquino and Rodrigo Duterte are friends, according by Luis Cabales. And I say again, Mami Ellen Olea, Danmar Dayaw, listen to Luis Cabales, both of you. Kuya Alison is an anti-Marcos. Your son, Mami Ellen Olea, even your daughter-in-law, Ate Claire, is anti-Marcos. You see, Kuya Alison never vote Bongbong Marcos. He voted Leni Robredo. And even even um, um, even Ate Claire voted Leni Robredo. AUP Diliman are anti-Marcos. And here's the one thing, Mr. Sangkay Janjan. When Kuya Mel Nixon Castro says, do not make fake account on Facebook. You're the one who made the fake account of Rodelio. Who is the real Rodelio Daguman? When I was explaining, from Roylan Marlang and also from Denzel Joshua, sino bang tunay na Rodelio Daguman? Who is the real Rodelio Daguman? Like I said, it is not Rodelio. Like me, who is the real mother of David Gill? It is not Mrs. Annie Gill. The fake account is made by Sangkay Janjan. You know Sangkay, Sangkay Janjan and Teacher May Tiburcio, both of you should stop making yourself a troll. Stop being yourself manipulative. Do you want to be like Kuya Copio? Do you want to be like Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asedio, and Paulo Cruzada? Sangkay Janjan. Stop making fake account on Facebook. David Gill, mother, had said to me, binubuli ako ng mga followers ni Sangkay Janjan. Oh. That's why she explained it. Well, Mr. Dennis Gill says, my wife is a victim of cyberbullying just because of Sangkay Janjan. Remember that? Sangkay. Oh. Me, I'm not picking you a fight. Huh? I'm not picking you a fight. Jerick Silva is asking you, you have to stop making fake account. Oh, wag kang gumawa ng mga fake account or dummy accounts. And you're making dummy account of Mang Rodelio Daguman and also Mrs. Annie Gill. Oh, who's the real account anyway? It was you, Sangkay. And you hired Teacher May Tiburcio to bash the Duterte supporters. This is the lesson to those idiot Marcos loyalists. Teacher May Tiburcio, Sangkay Janjan, Kuya Copio, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio. Everyone are anti-Marcos. Everyone. And here's the lesson for Mami Ellen Olea and Dan Mardayaw. Everyone are anti-Marcos. They have freedom of expression. They have their own opinion. If I'm a pro-Duterte, as I'm an anti-Marcos, I have my own opinion. I have my own freedom of expression. Everyone are anti-Marcos. You know, Teacher Jessa Fernandez is anti-Marcos because her mother is a victim of martial law. Oh, at least I talked with Jerick Silva that I apologize to Teacher Jessa Fernandez. Now, me and Teacher Jessa, we're reconcile each other. And I apologize to Teacher Jessa that I never vote Bongbong Marcos. I'm the one who vote Bongbong Marcos. Me and Apollo Sanchez, nabudol na kami. Oh, I apologize to Teacher Kel. Oh, Teacher Vincent Ramos, Teacher Gia Malana. I told them, nabudol na kami ni Bongbong Marcos. Like I said, me and Apollo Sanchez. And I apologize to them sincerely. To those idiot Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, like I said before, Kuya Copio, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, Jima Casandil, Ate Mel Canete, Ate Dina Guillermo, Sangkay Janjan, Romeo TV Vlog, Nino Barsaga, including Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan and Teacher Evelyn Caja. Everyone are anti-Marcos. Everyone are Filipinos are anti-Marcos. Oh, this is why I told to Teacher Jolie in CDIFI, bring back the historical revisionism against Marcos. I urge Teacher Marisa, discuss about the Civica, discuss about the history, revisionism against Marcoses. That is to bring back the lesson. If Kiko Barsaga was there, bring back the history, revisionism against Marcos. And let's see what we realize in our past and the present day. Of the time of the assassination of Ninoy Aquino, the death of Yusek Cabral, the flood control ghost project, and even the Jabida massacre, which is thousands of the Filipino Shia Muslims, they were killed by Marcos Sr. Pag-aralan niyo ito. That's why you need to study all the anti-Marcos history. We want democracy, we want transparency.